Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So it's time now for the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 8711. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Wow, this one has 17. Don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe it's a 0 stars. 0 stars. I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Well, could be a 1 star. 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. It's indicated with the 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Is this a 3 stars, a 1 star, or 0 stars? That's the question. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Well, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes then? I see here 1 triple box. The 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. More triple boxes? No. How about quarter boxes? I see here quarter box. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Here we have also a quarter box. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Now, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Here another quarter box. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box, same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about a T shape? Rotated, this T shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape, in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shapes, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a double 2 there. So here can be 2 and more. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 and the 1 goes together as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 3. Alright. Alright. This box can be 1. Because we have a double 1 there. This box can also not be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Then this box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3 should be here then. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be on 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area, in the T-shaped area, are the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes. Oh, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box. So 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me think. This box cannot be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. One box left in this T-shape area for number 3. I've marked this box with 3 or 4. We have a 4 there, so this box should be a 3. One box left in this area for number 5. Well, these two boxes surrounding 4 can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this quadro box supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. One box left in this quadro box for number 1. And then these 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4. And this box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. I marked this box with 4 or 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. One box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then, let's see. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left. In this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.